We're gonna go to Shifen. Actually, I think that might be last. We are gonna go to the little village of Shifen. Some people say that is where the idea for Spirited Away came from, although I don't know that that's true or not, but it's gonna be cool to see. We're gonna be able to see it at night, so it's gonna be all lit up and beautiful. Where else are we going?
So after Shifen, we're going to Shifen, which is supposed to be the waterfall. It's a beautiful landmark. We're really excited to go see it. Like lots of other things in Taiwan, they have super beautiful landmarks here. So yeah, we're excited to take you guys along with us and actually film that part of Shifen and show you guys the waterfall.
Yeah.
After that, we're going to a night market called
Ralph.
Yeah, it's called Ralph.
We heard it's really great, one of the best, so we're excited to go to that. So yeah, we're going to take you guys along with us for the entire day. It should be a lot of fun, so yeah, stick around.
Come along with us, guys.
Shifen Waterfall and the jungle surrounding it are awesome. Shifen Waterfall is called the Niagara Falls of Taiwan because of its horseshoe shape. It's about 20 meters high and 40 meters wide, which makes it the broadest waterfall in Taiwan. It's located in the Pingxi district and is known for how gorgeous it is. These bronze horse statues with the red ribbons represent local customs and beliefs. They believe that they offer protection. Although at any given point, you'll see tourists and little children sitting on them to take pictures. What you're seeing here is the actual size of the fruit in Shifen. Because of all of the rain in this area, the fruit grows massive and tastes delicious.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the top of Shifen. The waterfall is actually right behind us. We're going to show some more B-roll clips right now, but we just wanted to let you guys know that we finally made it up here. So, yeah.
The area around Shifen Waterfall offers several beautiful viewpoints and trails. The main viewing platform gives you a really great view of the waterfall, and there are paths leading through the park where you can enjoy natural scenery. There's also a suspension bridge that provides a unique perspective, and it's a really cool spot for pictures. After spending the morning at the waterfall, we decided to walk over to Shifen Old Street, which is full of history and gorgeous places to see.
Just saying.
Shifen Old Street is known for its charming atmosphere. The Old Street is lined with shops and food stalls, and you can often see people releasing sky lanterns. Visitors write their wishes on the lanterns and then they release them into the sky, which is a unique and popular activity. While we didn't actually partake in this activity, it was really cool to see. The prices for the lanterns are really inexpensive. You actually pay per panel, and each color represents a different wish. So if you choose all of the colors, you pay for all of the panels. In addition to its unique and charming vibe, Shifen also has a train that runs right through the middle of it.
The train in Shifen. God.
Shifen isn't short on food choices either. We tried this whole fried squid. Zion and Rowan went inside and they were able to taste it. They said it tasted awesome. In addition to this, we also had mango smoothies and some coconut water. It was all really awesome. And their gift shops are really unique and they offer things that are, of course, very specific to the town, but they're not like kitschy or, overhyped. They're actually handmade and really unique. So if you're ever in the area, definitely go by the gift shops. So after spending the morning and afternoon in Shifen, we boarded our bus and headed to the gorgeous village of Jifen. So stick around for that because it was truly amazing, an experience I will never forget. Thanks for watching.